So it's still January, the month of New Year's resolutions and all those ads that urge get in shape. I have a better idea. Take your mouth to the gym. Yeah, work those mouth muscles. What I mean is get your mouth muscles in shape and get them used to making the sounds and placements that we do when we speak English. That's right. And the way you can do that is by singing. Singing is fun. I know there are some anti-singers out there, but this is really the best way to practice and sing songs over and over to work those muscles, and you don't even have to get off the couch. So first song I would suggest for the A sound is R-Aaaaiin by Alanis Morissette. Just look it up on YouTube and notice how she opens her mouth really wide, which is good to do if you're practicing. You don't have to do it in real life, but it's great. When she sings, it's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. Now, you can sing the rest of the song yourself, but even with those 3 lines, you're practicing the A sound, making it go all the way back here till you're almost saying Y, A. You hear it? And that's the way we do it. So I've got tons more songs for practicing, so you can either stay tuned for more songs or subscribe to my site. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.